We live in a hyper-connected world. Millions of people are just a click away. Yet, loneliness is a global epidemic. Why? Because true connection goes beyond likes and comments. It's about deep, meaningful relationships. Loneliness can feel isolating, but it's important to remember you're not alone. Many people struggle with these feelings. It's a natural human experience. The first step to overcoming loneliness is acknowledging it. Don't judge yourself. Instead, be kind and compassionate with yourself. Loneliness is a state of mind, not a life sentence. It can feel overwhelming, but it's important to remember that it's a temporary state, not a permanent condition. It's a signal that something needs to change. This feeling is your mind's way of telling you that you need to take action, to seek out new experiences or connections. The good news is you have the power to change it. By taking small, deliberate steps, you can transform your reality and create a more fulfilling life. Mindfulness is a powerful tool to combat loneliness. It allows you to become more aware of your thoughts and feelings, helping you to understand and address them. It's about being present at this moment without judgment. By focusing on the here and now, you can break free from the negative thought patterns that contribute to loneliness. This helps shift your focus from what you lack to what you already have. Practicing gratitude can change your perspective, making you more aware of the positive aspects of your life. Mindful strategies can help you cultivate self-awareness, gratitude, and connection. These practices can lead to deeper relationships and a stronger sense of community. These are the building blocks of genuine happiness and fulfillment. By nurturing these connections, you can create a support system that enriches your life. Remember, change takes time and effort. It's a gradual process that requires patience and persistence. Be patient with yourself and celebrate small victories along the way. Each step forward, no matter how small, is a step towards a more connected and fulfilling life. Gratitude is a simple yet profound practice. It's a way to acknowledge the goodness in your life and the people who contribute to it. It's about focusing on the good in your life, no matter how small. Even the tiniest moments can bring immense joy and fulfillment. Start each day by listing things you are grateful for. This simple act can set a positive tone for the rest of your day. This could be your health, the ability to move freely and enjoy physical activities, your family, the people who support and love you unconditionally, the sunshine that brightens your day, or even a good cup of coffee, a simple pleasure that can bring comfort and warmth. Gratitude shifts your perspective from scarcity to abundance. It helps you see the richness in your life, even in the simplest things. When you appreciate what you have, you naturally attract more positivity into your life. This positive energy can transform your outlook and your experiences. You start noticing the good in others and build stronger connections. Gratitude fosters empathy and compassion, making your relationships more meaningful and fulfilling. Humans are social creatures. We thrive in communities. Our sense of belonging and connection is deeply rooted in our nature. Engaging with others is crucial for combating loneliness. It helps us feel understood and valued, creating a support system that enriches our lives. Join a club, volunteer, take a class, or participate in local events. These activities provide opportunities to meet new people and form meaningful connections. Or simply strike up conversations with people around you. A simple hello can lead to a lasting friendship. Look for activities that align with your interests and values. Whether it's a book club, a sports team, or a hobby group, shared interests can be a great foundation for building relationships. This will increase your chances of meeting like-minded people. When you share common passions, conversations flow more naturally and connections deepen. Remember, building connections takes time. It's a gradual process, that requires patience and effort. Regular meetups and consistent interactions help strengthen these bonds. Be patient and open to new experiences. Trying new activities can lead to unexpected friendships and broaden your social circle. Don't be afraid to put yourself out there. Stepping out of your comfort zone can be intimidating, but it's often the first step towards forming meaningful connections. The more you connect with others, the less lonely you'll feel. Building a tribe of supportive, like-minded individuals can significantly enhance your sense of belonging and happiness.